Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And in spite of having Apple Maps on iPhone, majority of the users who are using an iPhone, they are still using Google Maps. And if you're one of those people who are still using Google Maps, then please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video guys, we are going to show you the latest Google Maps update which is there for 2021. So let's get started. So guys, all you need to do is search for Google Maps in App Store and then just click and install the Google Maps, and it will be downloaded. And after this, it will be just asking you whether you want to download with Wi-Fi or download. Since I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, I'll be using my data to download this, and upon installing this, I'll be showing you what are the new features with Google Maps. One more thing what I wanted to show you all is, if you are using an Apple Watch, you can even get notifications on your Apple Watch. You can install it on that too. So this is how it shows the direction, like head north on Wilson Ave, etc., the direction. And also you all can see the estimated time and all. Even you all can have the estimated time for your home and work and the current trip which is there. So you can even get notifications like this. These are one of the few notifications which you can see for your Apple Watch, and highly recommended if you are using an Apple Watch to install the Google Maps on that. This is how it looks. All these are basically outside of India notifications, and definitely you will be able to see notifications in India too. So upon installing, let's just open the Google Map, and this is how it looks. So it asks you for your settings of the permission. Usually what I do is I do not allow any app to use my location. So what I can do is just enable the location for the Google Maps, and it will going to allow you to just take the advantage of it. This is in showing you the correct position, etc. And this is how it looks like. And note that I have not signed in over here. If you all want, you all can use it with an account, and basically it will going to show you all location, etc., real-time GPS. And I really like about Google Maps is now you all can even add a cab. I'll be doing a dedicated video on this. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you get the future updates whenever we upload any new video. So this is sort of a quick overview of the latest update which we have it. As you all can see me, you can even continue with the account which you all have, and this will directly going to turn on all this web activity and history. I usually like to turn it off, but then if you enable this, you'll be definitely able to get the traffic info and all. This is how it looks. You can roll out, and also for example, if you just go over here to any place, you all can even leave, and also directly book. If you are going to any hotels and all, you all can directly book and check the availability of this place. And with this guys, you all can directly even book, I guess, and you can even give reviews, etc., which previously is enabled in the previous update also. Nothing so much fancy, but the real one difference which I really like is the types of this navigations, which let me just allow it only once. And this kind of navigation which is available, and this is one of the pretty nifty feature which that makes the Google Maps, the latest update, a very interesting one. And you all can see sort of a real time, it just shows you the road and all, so which is really good. I cannot wait to test this particular feature, since it is lockdown and I'm not able to go outside, so I'm not able to show you this. And if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button, and do share my video with your friends and family who are using Google Maps on the iPhone and even on Android phone. So this will be showing you the estimated time, etc., which is needed to reach your existing destination. And you all can even give reviews, as I said, and you all can even become the local guide, wherein you all can just suggest some different kind of places and all. And the best part about Google Maps is, before even reaching to that place, you all can actually check the photos, etc. So this will allow you to have a brief overview of the place even before you visit it. The latest update also show you the COVID-19 centers which are available, etc., over here. And this is all the announcement and all the information which you can get it on Google Maps, which is a nice feature, you know. And again, then prevention tips, etc., whatever is there, in quarantine information and all. So it's nice that Google have included this in the latest map update. Also guys, if you just click on this contribute tab, it will be allowing you to have all the reviews and all. And what you can do is just contribute from here, and then just press this get started. Then you can allow the photos, etc., and this will allow you to have you can rate a place, etc., and then you become a guide for sharing all the particular information. And also if there is a new place, some pharmacy have opened in your recent area, then you can even give your reviews and post photos and such type of things, so which really helps in making the Google Maps what it is till date. And basically it will collect the information of yours and the place which you all have visited, and will be able to provide a good information to the future people who are visiting that particular place. So just if you want to add a photos, etc., you all can do it from here. You all can even write a place or a review about a place, etc. And the go feature is going to have you the latest location. The built-in functionality, what I really like about the latest iOS 14.5 or 14.6 is that you can just allow a location, if you can ask or just use it while using this particular app. This is a nifty feature which comes with a privacy setting of the iOS 14.6 and 14.5, and you can, if you want, you can never allow it or always allow it. So I have just used it, allowed while using this particular app, and this is going to allow the location only while I'm using the app. And here I can click and get my exact location. From once you do this, you can even explore some other places, you can do other stuff. What you can do is from here you can just have this home location and just start navigation, etc., and which is a really good feature I feel in the latest update of Google Maps. Also guys, you can press this saved tab, then save a list of the places which you would like to visit. This is a nifty feature, especially if you are going for a trip, etc., and then you can just add a list and then add a list of all those places. And also the best part is you can share this with your friend who are going for a trip. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.